And he breaks over the blind side, goes himself, passes out wide. Good, it's a big tackle, and then offload with number 9. And then number 12 has pushed through. And he is going all the way. He's chased down. And the try has gone down. Red 12 has scored a beauty there, putting Lebanon 10-0 in front with a kick to come. And the kick is up, and the flag is too, so the kick is good. It takes it out to 12-0. All right, Lebanon to restart with a kick. And they have put it up in the air, but it's been touched. It has to go over the plane, not the player over the plane there. Kyrgyzstan take it quick, and they're going with this kicking option and chasing. Seems to be the closest they've got. Lebanon pick it up, the man is tackled on the ground, so it is a penalty. And Lebanon move it fast, and they are breaking into the open. And Lebanese number 9 all tackled afterwards. They could pop. Kyrgyzstan doing some good tackling here. And they said that tap went backwards. And Lebanon picking up the ball. And he gets it and spreads it wide. And the 6 spreads it, takes it, spreads it. And they are off to the races again. The step inside with the great trip tackle there. And they've reset and are moving to the side. All right, the number 9, a little bit of juggle, but it's definitely gone backwards. And then the 12 gives it out wide so they can reset from their wing. Number 9 gives a beautiful late pass. And then another good late pass, so it's a 2-on-1. Spread out wide, juggled but caught. He steps inside and then gets leg tackled again, but offloads. And the 3, and in a try scoring position, there's been a deliberate knockdown and then a kick the ball away. All right, so it's a penalty try, and we'll see what color card comes out here. It's a yellow card comes out for the deliberate knockdown. And that is half. So Lebanon go in with a 19-0 lead.
Yellow card.
They restart the second half.
Below sir.
To Lebanon after that penalty try.
Yellow card के time हरी नहीं? Time हरी नहीं?
Yellow card. Did he give a yellow card right away?
Yellow card का?
You gave a yellow card before half time?
Yeah.
To whom?
It's okay. Time. Hard है तू.
No.
Hard है तू ना try
Just a little bit of a hold up as the yellow card player forgot to sit down, and there's the yellow card spot.
Number 6.
And he will have 2 minutes in the naughty corner, the naughty chair, as we get underway. All right, the kickoff has gone up. Good height on it. Well read by Kyrgyzstan, and then according to go backwards. Really good pressure from Kyrgyzstan at this ruck, but Lebanon have managed to get the ball away. The power going through there. Going through the number 9 regathers, He stepped out and he is breaking away. Just waiting for that last-ditch effort try, a saver, but it does not work. And Lebanon are in again, taking the score out 24-0 with a kick to come. Alright, and that was converted to take the points out to 26-0. Alright, Lebanon to restart. They've kicked it high in the air. Number 5's gone to contest it. Try hit it backwards, but hit it forwards. And then tackle down.
Another yellow card. Another yellow card.
And that was good. Given as an intention. Now it's lost forward by Kyrgyzstan. Spread right down a man at the moment. And they are making their way up the field. There's a forward pass, then into the hand of the Kyrgyzstan. So first one's on Lebanon, so it'll be a yellow feed here. All right, subs have been made. Scrum's been had, and a red scrum have gone in. Ball's being kicked deep. It's been kicked very deep, but it has not crossed the plane. Stopped in the perfect spot. And now Lebanon are out, and they're trying to make their way back up the field. First player runs and kicks it out, but then it is knocked on. And we're going back for a penalty here, and time is off. Alright, so it is a Kyrgyzstan scrum.
Time. Okay.
And we're about to get back into play now. Just trying to get our numbers together here. Counting to 7 is hard sometimes. Okay, scrum is going in. It's lost at the feet there, but picked up by 15 from Kyrgyzstan. It's passed the back, 19 goes for it on a barreling run, then pops it up. Picked up with a pick and go, but he's isolated, but there's no roll away from the other player. They've tapped and gone here. Number 1 and number 5 have absolutely met in a big collision. Kyrgyzstan have picked it up, and he seems to have about 7 guys on him. Kyrgyzstan looking to get over that line here with a big foot thumping run, but held up by Lebanon there as well. Guys need to roll out of the way. Kyrgyzstan going again for the pick and go here. Oh, he's gone around the blind side straight into traffic. Just need to get a bit more space out. He's also gone to the blind side. And it's been a collision, and then it's been knocked on. But Lebanon have the ball, and it's been stepped in, and now they are off to the races. And number 5 has taken off. He is being chased down heavily. He's going to change directions again. Oh, he manages to get all the way there after a big effort. And number 5 for Lebanon is going to put them over a 30-point win. All right, so there's 2 minutes left in this game, but the score at the moment is 31, now 33-0. And it is converted there. So Lebanon with a commanding lead with less than 2 minutes to go in this game. And they've kicked it deep and long, and it's found a bit of turf. A little bobble there, but play on. And Kyrgyzstan have the ball. They're enjoying a little in around the ruck play. But then held up. Head high tackle there. So Kyrgyzstan have the ball. All right, after a bit of confusion there, we are back to it. All right, and we haven't got long left till full time. Kyrgyzstan go up, but it's turned over, and Lebanon have the ball. And there is the full-time hooter, but the pass is given out wide. And Lebanon looking to really put the icing on that cake. And they have with a try under the post to finish off that game. So it's another 5 points there, taking them out to 38-0 with the kick to come. If he converts this, they'll have a 40-point win. And he does, so I believe the full score is 40-0. All right, we have 4 games left for the day, and they will be the Cup quarterfinals. So Bahrain and Afghanistan is up next.
Contrary to what the board says, Lebanon won 33-0 against